Hi everyone, in this video I'll show you how to fix app not install problem in your device nothing phone 2. In this device nothing phone 2, I'll tell you few tips and tricks that you can use to fix it. Before I start, if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and press bell icon. Watch complete video and learn how we can